Evening and welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be a follow-up to my garage vlog and toolbox tour. I've got this Halfords tool chest. This is something I've been thinking about for a long time, and I was inspired by Bluudys garage, and I can put a link to his channel in the description because he did the tool chest and the tool trays, whatever they call them. I'll get this one out that I got, the modular tray set. You saw this in part 21 of the Project Bimmer videos. Just a set of combination spanners, 28 quid. And you get 12 spanners, so that works out just over £2 a spanner, so it's a no-brainer. Because I needed a 16mm spanner, and to buy them individually I think about £9.99, so absolute no-brainer. So anyway, I've got the tool chest to go in it, so let's get it opened without any further ado. So I've got my trusty knife, so just gently cut the tape, try not to dig too deep. So do the sides first, spray the tape, got to go all gung-ho and slash, so just nick the tape. In fact, once you've nicked it you can just easily price it apart. You'd have to drag the knife all the way, except maybe at the end. Again, just nick it and see what's inside. Yeah. Put that tool aside. We have some instructions, but that'll be last resort. I'm not going to use I totally ignore the instructions. Sometimes go on deep end, and then if I get stuck, then I refer to the instructions. Right, oh, this is going to be a bit difficult to get out. So what I have to do is turn it round, tip it over. Turn it right over carefully, and then just lift the box out. Remember to dispose of your packaging responsibly. Just chuck that all to one side. Right, now all I need to do is flip it back over. I'm not damaging the paintwork on the silica. Probably not the most sensible thing to do, but it comes with a couple of keys. So what I'll do is I'll set this up where I'm going to have it, and I'm not messing around. Don't want to do any more damage to the silica than necessary. Okay, I've got it in place. Now this is the three drawer middle chest, and this is currently on offer at Halfords for 70 quid, because the black and the red ones they're 90 quid, so I thought, oh, that's far too good to miss. I thought, sod it, I'll get one. I can start getting the modular tray sets now. I'm supposed to take these, so what I'll do is I'll set the camera up and we'll see if it'll actually fit. Right, so I've got my tray, so we'll just try it, and oh yes, it fits like the proverbial glove. So that's a good dough, and it'll take 3 of these. So I'll come back, buy a few sets. And this one, there we go, got all these drawers. And I've just made an interesting discovery here, which is you can put some feet on it. So I might just do that. Actually, this might be for the top drawer. Anyway, I'll leave that in there for now, and I'll get some more tools in here, and I'll use them, put in tools that I use quite often. So I've got my spanners, some screwdrivers, pliers, my half-inch ratchet and breaker bar and a few extension bars. And these are tools I'll use most often, so I'll stick them in there for now. So the plan is to get the 3 metric socket sets, the 1/4 inch, the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch drive, and I'm going to put them in here, stick them in there, and in this drawer to keep the combination spanners company. I'm thinking get the Torx bit set and maybe the extension bar set. Might change my mind on that one, but if I decide I want more modular trays, I'll have to get another one. I think I'll get the top one. It's a 5 drawer top one. I think it's about 140 quid, but we'll see on that one. So that's basically it for my update on my toolbox tour. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so you get notified of video updates. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.